to another video. In this video, we'll be seeing something new than let's watch the video. So basically what I want to talk about in this video is nothing but top 4 apps that should be deleted right now. So which may be in your Android and you have deleted right now. So let's head on to the video without wasting time. At the top list, you will have the app called UC browser. So in other browsers you may get this ad or you may get this virus or something appearing like this. Please uninstall your browser right now. It's unsafety like that you'll be getting right. Yeah, I know. So that is actually a virus and it takes you into the UC browser app and you have downloaded it. While downloading a UC browser app, it tells that it's the fastest app. It will download all the apps faster and all those things, right? Don't even believe it because it doesn't do actually. It will tell that it's the fastest app and it will make it download more faster, but it won't. It will never do that. So you have not download such kind of apps. While starting with, it will ask you some permissions like can you read its contact location, so it may be like some hackers who do that and they may store some details from your app. So never do that again and again. So right now go and install UC browser. Even the Lite also. I think Lite is there. Yeah. Second one is ES File Explorer. So why I'm telling this now? And you'll be thinking about why should I delete it like that. Yeah, why should I delete it? Why I'm deleting this? There's no app, nothing virus, no virus, nothing. But at the starting when you open the app, it will ask you some questions like permissions, like can it read your contacts, know your location. So why a file browser need a location, need your contacts? What is that accessing your contacts for a file browser? No, right? You can understand it only. So again, it may be a big virus for you when you download the app. Not only now. So you'll be thinking, okay, right now I'm downloading it, nothing happens to the mobile. But not now. After you uninstall it also, the virus will be on your mobile only. Don't go away or you can't remove it. So that's a big problem there. You have to uninstall it right now. Next one is online games. So there are 2 reasons why I'm telling you to uninstall online games. So if I tell you online games, you know the example of PUBG, Afghana, Free Fire, all the shooting games. So what is that? The PUBG kind of subject. So what is that here? In the PUBG game, what happens? So let's know the reason behind it. There are 2 reasons. First reason is none other than addiction. There are people who are addicted to PUBG and all those games. Let me take an example of it. So PUBG is not controlled by a human, or it's played by your friend or whom you know. Offline games not like that. So they are given some procedures for it to act. Okay, so it may lose, it may not lose. But in online games, your friends may play with you, and if you lose with them, you will think that it's a shame for me, and very sad. You'll become depressed. You'll play another game. You'll focus on the game. Your mind will focus on that game. So you will get very much addicted to the game that I have to win with him. So in school also you'll be thinking tomorrow I should play PUBG, tomorrow I should win with him, tomorrow I should lose with him, tomorrow I should win with him. What's that in PUBG? So you try to concentrate on that except all your other things. And the second reason is why I'm saying not the online game is none of them. They may hack your details. So why it's called online there? They may tell you to sign up your Gmail account or all the Facebook accounts. They may tell you to put a password. That the game starts for you. So they may the account which you entered. So some people who hack your data from that. That's why they tell you not to online games. There are many procedures for hacking. Those people, they may hack your bank accounts too. You can't tell. So this really happened in one guy in England. So named Roy, I know properly. So he actually was playing this game, and once his mobile got hacked, it caused a very bad danger to the parents. And another thing is people, something that's happened due to those things. So I talk in Smart Talks also, right? What happened is one guy want to play PUBG and he want a good mobile to play PUBG. How can that happen? So mobile costs 30,000 and his parents cannot afford it. So he went suicide. I don't know why those people do all those things. Never download it. I won't download, you also don't download. The next one is Antivirus App. So this antivirus app is really dangerous, guys. What they tell they tell that they're removing the virus from that. But what they do is they add virus in your mobile. You can't believe it. Actually, even I had that app. Okay, I was not knowing so much. I searched in Google more about it. Then I got to know that antivirus is not antivirus. It is getting virus. So your mobile will get virus when you download antivirus apps. So what really happens there, when you press that clean my phone and all those check for viruses, they tell that there's no virus, or if the virus comes, they'll tell you can remove the virus. When you remove, what happens, there'll be some viruses which will be added on your mobile. So can't understand means if one goes, another comes, that app. So the app helps in cleaning also and adding virus also. Never download those kind of apps. So those apps are trusted by Google Play Protect, but really sometimes it will be very dangerous for you because some people have really been faced it also. Okay. The last one is the Clean Master app. So you know what is Clean Master app, right? Yeah, even I had that app. So past 6 days I got to know this app is a virus. Now how? I have that app in my Carbon tab. So it's already downloaded. And what will happen, right? When I open the app, first time nothing happened. Second time nothing happened. The third time when I download, it already came out and it's saying that Clean Master is not responding. Would like to continue. When I put close or wait, when I press the wait button, my tab got switched off. I don't know what really happened there. Okay, then one more thing what happened is, when the app was downloaded, first time when I opened the app and I saw that many pictures already downloaded in my gallery, I couldn't believe that. So it was in that, the file name was in that Clean Master, inside that many images like tick mark, 0, all those, I don't know what that meant, and some videos, ads, Clean Master app, ads were downloaded into my gallery. I didn't know what happened, and some days my tab got stuck. Then I thought to delete that app and I deleted. My tab was fully clean. I don't know, those images already got deleted by its phone. Yeah, that's really a virus. So that's all for today. And please uninstall all these 5 apps that you're now. If not, you may get a difficulty in the future. So thanks for watching this video. Like, subscribe to the channel. Signing up for those. You are smart. Bye.